Hi everyone. Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of MEXC's trading fees. We'll cover everything from trading fees, withdrawal fees, deposit fees, and how you can minimize these costs. And don't forget, if you decide to sign up, use our referral code 12K4M5 for exclusive bonuses. Let's get started. First, let's talk about MEXC itself. Founded in 2018, MEXC has quickly become a major player in the cryptocurrency market. With a mission to provide a secure and efficient trading environment, MEXC offers a variety of services tailored to both new and experienced traders. MEXC operates globally, providing access to users in multiple countries. Their mission is to make cryptocurrency trading accessible and user-friendly for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, MEXC has something to offer. Now, let's dive into the trading fee structure on MEXC. Trading fees on MEXC are divided into maker and taker fees. Maker fees are charged to traders who add liquidity to the market by placing limit orders, while taker fees are charged to traders who remove liquidity by placing market orders. The current maker fee on MEXC is 0.2%, and the taker fee is also 0.2%. These fees are competitive compared to other exchanges and can be further reduced through various discounts.
MEXC offers several ways to reduce these trading fees. One of the most common methods is by using their native token, MEXC. By holding MEXC tokens, you can get a discount on trading fees. Additionally, MEXC offers volume-based discounts, which means the more you trade, the lower your fees. You can also take advantage of referral bonuses and special promotions that MEXC runs from time to time. These can significantly reduce your overall trading costs. Remember, you can use our referral code 12K4M5 to get some great bonuses when you sign up.
Next, let's talk about withdrawal fees. Withdrawal fees on MEXC vary depending on the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing. For example, withdrawing Bitcoin will incur a fee of 0.0005 BTC, while Ethereum withdrawals cost 0.01 ETH. These fees are competitive and generally lower than many other exchanges. It's important to check the specific fees for each cryptocurrency before making a withdrawal to ensure you understand the costs involved. When it comes to deposit fees, MEXC generally offers free deposits for most cryptocurrencies. However, some deposit methods, especially those involving fiat currency, might incur a fee. Always check the fee schedule on the MEXC website for the most accurate information. Most crypto deposits are free, making it easy and cost-effective to transfer funds into your MEXC account. So, how does MEXC's fee structure compare to other major exchanges? Overall, MEXC offers very competitive fees. Their maker and taker fees are in line with industry standards, and their discounts can make trading even more affordable. Compared to other exchanges, MEXC stands out for its low withdrawal fees and free deposits for most cryptocurrencies. This makes MEXC a great choice for traders looking to minimize costs. Now let's talk about some tips for minimizing fees on MEXC. First, make sure to use MEXC tokens to get trading fee discounts. Second, try to increase your trading volume to qualify for volume-based discounts. Lastly, keep an eye out for special promotions and referral bonuses. These strategies can help you save a significant amount on trading fees and make your trading experience more cost-effective. To wrap things up, MEXC offers a competitive and transparent fee structure that benefits traders. Whether you're trading small amounts or large volumes, MEXC provides several ways to minimize your costs. We highly recommend checking out MEXC for your trading needs. And don't forget to use our referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up to enjoy exclusive bonuses and reduce trading fees. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and reviews. Also, let us know in the comments if you've used MEXC and what your experience has been. Happy trading with MEXC. Until next time, happy trading with MEXC, and don't forget to use the referral code 12K4M5.